Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an e-commerce brand with Etsy, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching your niche. Identify what products you want to sell on Etsy. Check the demand for these products using keyword tools. Evaluate your competition by analyzing top sellers in your niche. Create a unique selling proposition that sets you apart. Develop a business plan outlining your goals and strategies. Choose a memorable brand name that reflects your products. Register your Etsy account and set up your shop. Design an attractive shop banner that represents your brand. Craft a compelling shop announcement to inform visitors about your business. Create high-quality product listings with clear titles, thorough descriptions, and relevant tags. Take professional photos that showcase your products from multiple angles. Set competitive prices by considering your costs and market trends. Establish clear shipping policies and processing times. Optimize your listings for search engine visibility using SEO techniques. Promote your products on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with potential customers through direct messages and comments. Encourage customer reviews by providing exceptional service. Monitor your shop's performance through Etsy's analytics tools. Adjust your strategies based on data insights to improve sales. Stay updated on Etsy's policies and best practices to remain compliant. Continuously explore new trends and product ideas to keep your shop fresh. Foster a loyal customer base by offering exceptional products and experiences. Network with other Etsy sellers for collaboration and support. Consider expanding to other sales channels as your brand grows. Evaluate your progress regularly and set new goals based on your performance. Stay persistent and adaptable in the dynamic world of e-commerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.